Hello everyone and welcome to the official YouTube channel for Do It with AI Tools. My name is Sufyan and I'm so excited to have you here. This channel is an extension of my website, doitwithai.tools, a project I've been working on for over a year with one clear mission to show how artificial intelligence can transform the way we work, learn, and grow. When AI tools like ChatGPT first started gaining attention, a lot of people rushed to create quick content around it, but I took a different path. I spent nearly a year and a half carefully planning, designing, coding, and writing to build a website that truly stands out. Everything you see there, from the modern design and SEO setup to the high-quality articles, was created by me with the help of powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. It has been a long journey, but one that proves what's possible when you combine human creativity with AI. The website itself is more than just a blog. It's a complete hub for AI knowledge. You'll find in-depth guides on AI-powered SEO, daily productivity hacks, and even how to learn new skills or earn an income using AI. There's also a section for free AI resources, things like prompts, templates, tools, images, and videos that complement the articles and give you practical assets to use right away. So why YouTube? Because well-written articles are great for deep dives. Sometimes it's easier to learn through video. This channel is going to bring my blog to life. Think of it as the video version of the website. Every video will either complement an existing article or stand alone as a fresh guide. You'll see tutorials, walkthroughs, and practical demonstrations of AI tools and strategies, all explained step by step so you can easily follow along. But more importantly, this channel is about community. I want to connect with AI enthusiasts, developers, marketers, creators, anyone who's curious about how AI can make a real impact. Together, we'll explore, experiment, and grow in this fast-changing AI landscape. If that sounds exciting to you, make sure to subscribe and join me on this journey. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make sure my content stays fresh and valuable as AI keeps evolving? Well, that's where you come in. Think of this channel as a collaborative project. Your feedback is essential. Let me know what topics you want me to cover, what tools you want me to review, and what challenges you face in using AI. I'm committed to bringing you content that is not only useful, but also reflects the latest advancements and best practices in the field. Finally, I want to give a shout out to all the supporters who believed in me and my project from the start. Your support means the world to me, and it's a big part of why we're launching this channel today. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to embark on this journey with you.